Hello everyone, today we're looking on an interesting problem, which is finding the max profit from buying and selling stocks. So we are given an array of prices which represents price of a stock at each particular day, starting from day 1. So at day 1 we have price 2, at day 2 we have price 1. And basically we can buy once, sell once. So the best approach here is start visualizing this. We can draw a chart where we can have dollars on y-axis and days on the x-axis, and from the chart it becomes clear that the best day to buy is day 2. You buy at price 1, and the best day to sell is on day 5, when you can sell on price 10. Okay, so what do we want to start? What do we want to do to approach this problem? Well, of course we need to iterate through array of prices, and we must keep tracking and changing if we need a minimum price, and we must calculate max profit, which is basically price minus minimum price we see, and in the end we return the max profit. So the time complexity here is linear, big O(n), because we need to iterate through the array of prices, and the space complexity is constant because we don't need to allocate any additional space. So let's look how it works with the code. So let's calculate minimum price to something big, infinity, and max profit we need to 0. So let's loop. So yeah, if we found a price that is less than min price, we save it, and now we calculate current max profit, which is current price minus min price. And if current max profit is greater than max profit we already seen, we store it. Okay, in the end we return max profit. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, true. The test is true. It is what we expect. We expect the profit is 9. Okay, let's look how it works with the debug. Okay, we initialized our min price to infinity, max profit to 0. Let's loop through the array. Okay, current price is 2. It is what? It is less than the min price. We store it. And current max profit is current price minus min price. Basically, it's 2 minus 2. Well, it is 0, so we just pass it. Okay, current price is 1. We already on day 2. And it is definitely less than the min price, which is 2, and we store it. And again, the current max profit is 0, we pass. Okay, now the price is 3. So basically it is not, it is greater than the minimum price, so we don't update the min price, but we will update profit, because so 3 minus min price is 2, so we can update profit setting it to 2. You see max profit is 2 now. Okay, the next price is 7, and we also will update the max profit. Now we have current max profit 6, and it is greater than max profit 2. We updated. Okay. The next price is 10, and it is also greater than the difference will also be greater than the max profit. So it is 9, and we update it. Now max profit is 9. Okay, and finally the last price is 2, and it is greater than mean price. The difference is less than the max profit, so we just pass. And you see in the end we have mean price 1 and max profit 9, and we return it. That's it, we return out. Again, the time complexity is linear. We loop through array of prices, and you see we allocated very small space using storing only digits. That's it for today. Thanks for your attention. Have a great day.